Hey there! So, today we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers encounter when trying to save changes to a SQL table in a loop. The issue arises when attempting to add multiple rows with different IDs in a table that has an identity column as its primary key. This leads to an error message popping up, causing frustration in the process. But fret not, because we're here to provide a solution to this pesky problem. In order to address this issue, the solution lies in understanding how ORM works with objects and rows. By utilizing a new object instance each time you want to add a new row, you can avoid confusing the ORM about whether you're updating an existing row or adding a new one. Additionally, it's recommended to let the ORM handle adding multiple rows as a batch, rather than one by one. By following these suggestions, you can ensure that your changes are saved smoothly without encountering any errors. In summary, saving changes to a SQL table in a loop can be a tricky situation, especially when dealing with identity columns and ORM behavior. By approaching the problem with a clear understanding of object instances and ORM functionality, you can effectively resolve any issues that may arise. We hope this solution helps you in your programming endeavors. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!